In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a classic cream cheese frosting. I'm using 3 cups of icing sugar. This is also called confectioner sugar or powdered sugar. 1 block of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of salted butter. Into a large bowl, I have placed my 1 block of cream cheese. This is a 250 gram block, about 9 ounces. To that, I'm going to add in my salted butter, and I'm using 57 grams of salted butter in my recipe today. I'm going to grab my hand mixer, and I just want to start mixing all of this together. And both my butter and cream cheese are at room temperature. So I've had them out on the counter for a few hours before I started my recipe today. I'm going to increase my mixer, and I just want to get this all nice and fluffy, get some air into it, and really soften it. So after about a minute of mixing, I'm going to add in my vanilla, and that is equal to 5 grams, or 1 teaspoon. I'm just going to mix that in as well. And that smells really nice. Increase my mixer. Just get that really mixed in there well. Okay, that's good. And now we're going to sift in our confectioner sugar. I'm just going to sift this in. I don't want any lumps. A little bit more. I'll do about half. Okay, and then we'll mix that in first. Speed number 1. Just slowly start incorporating all of this together. You can see how fast this comes together. I'm going to increase my mixer now. And now we'll add in the last little bit of our sugar. First thing I'll do is I'll take the back of a spoon and I'm just going to push all of those little pieces through. Give that a little tap. And then our last bit of icing sugar. And icing sugar has 3 names: icing sugar, powdered sugar, or confectioner sugar. 3 different names, but it's all the same sugar. And the reason why you want to sift, because you don't want to have all of these little pieces in your frosting or your icing. So let's get them all through, and that's perfect. Grab our mixer one more time, and let's start slowly mixing this together. And if you want to change the color of this, you can add any type of food coloring that you wish, be it a liquid or a gel, and you want to go very, very slowly. Just add a drop or 2 at a time, and then mix it in, because the frosting will change color very rapidly. Now I'm going to increase my mixer. And there we have it. After a few minutes of mixing, we have a really nice frosting. But right now I just wanted to show you how nice this is. And this will get more firm when you refrigerate it. But here we have it. Look at that. Oh, this is really nice. You know, taste a little bit. Not overly sweet. Really, really nice. I get that nice flavor of that pure vanilla extract and that cream cheese. Really superb. So that's it for today's really fast video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. If you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. This recipe will be posted there as well. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.